Hello, I'm Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here on the floor of the CME Group. One of the stocks we looked at today in our Market Taker Live Advantage group coaching class, which you can learn more about at MarketTaker.com/GC and get a special price just for viewers of our videos, was in LinkedIn, symbol LNKD. Take a look at a chart of LinkedIn. Right now, LinkedIn is threatening to close above the $130 a share resistance level. As of the shooting of this video, it's actually above 130 right now, and in a few hours we'll see if we actually close above that point. If we do, there's no foreseeable resistance anywhere even close to where the stock is trading right now, and I think the stock can run a little bit. So we move on to how to trade that. I want to keep my risk low and keep my profit potential high. So I like buying the regular June expiration 130-135 bull call spread for $2.15 each. Now, the reason I like that is because it's a pretty low cost, low risk trade. The most I can lose on a debit spread is what I pay for it, in this case $2.15. And potentially, if I'm right, and if LinkedIn does run up to or through 135 at expiration, I can at least double my money on this trade if I were to put this trade on today. Now, the stock is looking strong. There's not resistance if we close above 130. We're setting higher lows. The implied volatility picture is fine, especially considering it's a pretty Vega neutral trade because of how we're structuring it. So the implied volatility risk is pretty low. And a couple management tips I want to give. If it looks like the market ends up falling or LinkedIn turns around, closes below 130 today, I'd keep an eye on it. Maybe close it early if the stock begins to fall. Take a small loss to avoid a potentially big loss. And if the stock goes our way, then I like closing the trade a little bit early. I don't want to be greedy and try and reach my maximum profit potential. It's great if it happens, but I'd be happy if I could take 75% of my maximum profit on this trade. This is Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here on the floor of the CME Group.